Grass is looking kind of shaggy. We're going to pull the mower out, put some gas in it, start it up for the first time this year. I put, how long have I had this mower? This is like the 7th or 8th season. I think it's this, I'm not sure. Anyways, got brand new tires on there. I got a brand new flap, got a brand new transmission. I got new gears in the tire. Attach the wheel to the transmission. And I think that's all that's new this year. I might add a battery this year. This is an electric start, so there's a battery in here. And that's the original one after 7 or 8 years. And it's kind of weak, so I'm sure it's dead now because it's been sitting for 4 months. But I'll check the oil. Let's do that. I don't have a rag in here. I'll check the oil, put gas in, and then we'll start it up, see if it starts first pull. Alright, I just filled it with gas. Turn the fuel on, let it flow into the carb. I forgot to do that last year when I was doing this video. And then I just checked the oil. I didn't have a rag, but it's got plenty. I just changed it when I put it away in the fall. We're gonna mulch. We're gonna mulch grass. And stoppers go there. On this mower, I've these little knobs for the handle have fallen apart and gotten lost in the yard twice. They make replacement parts, obviously, for these mowers. But there's a little pin that goes through. I think the newer ones are better, but there's a little pin that goes through there. And I went ahead and like safety wired those on so they don't fall off into the yard. That was in my previous video from last year, I believe. So we're going to, I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm going to pull this back. I got a zip tie here to lock the handle down. And this is first pull. It's going to smoke a lot because I put fogging oil in the cylinder when I put it away. I think we're good to go. Let's see. Look at that. First pull. It's not even smoking that bad. I think I put new blades on it, but I can't remember. I ordered new blades. I bought this in 2014. This is 2021, so I don't know how many seasons that is, but pretty cool. Smoking, that'll go away. So awesome. 2021 first pull report.